What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? Are you filming this?
Got me falling right back.
Ah! Yes. Hell yeah. Oh. Why do I keep losing them? What? I freaking had one the whole time. Came off. What's up? Come on. Sharp teeth, but yeah, you don't want to put your hands in that because that can mess you up. Nice little guy.
Shit, he's taking it. He is taking it, bro. It's taken. Got him this time. What the fuck is that? Grab the net. Grab the net. What the fuck is that? Are you filming this?
Oh my god. My heart is pounding. What is that?
I think that's a dogfish. No, it's one of those snake fish.
Ew! It is. Ah! Gross.
Look at it, at least.
What are you doing?
Oh, this thing has sharp ass teeth.
Oh, really?
Yeah. New species, family. It's heavy though. Oh shit!
Damn. That is one strong fish.
That was scary as fuck. Oh shit! What the fuck are you? I've never caught a fish like this before.
Wait. What are you trying to do?
Investigate. Sharp ass teeth.
Oh my god.
I don't know what it is. It's kind of scary. These are new species. Like we don't have, I'm pretty sure we don't have this in Michigan. It literally looks like a big snake head and it has sharp ass teeth. I'm pretty sure it's one of those invasive ones that you're not supposed to throw back in the water, but I'm gonna throw him back in the water because he didn't do shit to me. Shit, calm down, family. Like, look, film its head. Film its head. Just look at that. That looks like a damn snake. Like, film it from over here. Snake, bro. But I'm going to put him back in the water. That looks like a snake.
That's crazy.
Alright, fam. You were a good fight, I guess. But we're gonna put him back in the water. See, it's scary when you've never handled this type of fish. Like this, my bro here could be electric for all I know. I get shocked the hell up. But I'm already lit, so it doesn't matter.
That's crazy.
Anyways, we're gonna put him back in the water. I'm not gonna touch him. I've never handled this type of fish. We're used to them bluegill, them small little fish and bass, that's about it. Not this thing that looks like it has a head of an anaconda. Alright, we're gonna let my homeboy go. Alright, Gucci. See if we can make this happen. Alright. Other than that, peace and booty grease. Stay saucy and bossy at all time, fam. Get hooked, get addicted to this. Come out here and fish. It's your boy Venice. We're gonna call it a day. That's it. Peace.